Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. My name is Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a super simple trending dance to fast cars and superstars. I'm seeing this dance all over social media, and I love trends like this because it gets everyone up and moving, dancers and non-dancers alike. Everyone's a dancer though. If you're up and you're moving, then you're doing it right. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow. We're going to use some repetition, and we're going to have a lot of fun. When you're ready to try this with music, or if you just want to see what this dance trend looks like with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So this video is going to be the tutorial only, but when you're ready to practice with music, go hit that other link and check out that other video. We're going to have 4 8 counts of choreography to learn here. This is just my interpretation. Please move in whatever way feels best to you. Our first 8 count, you're going to step out with your left foot. You're going to take your hands, and I'm doing like 2 fingers and then this one up, but you can point, you can do whatever you want. And you're going to take your hip to the left for 4 counts. So you're stepping and going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I've seen some people tap their foot. I've seen people do their heel. I've seen people just pop the hip. Literally whatever you want to do is fine. If you're moving, you're doing it right. Here we go. So we're going to step out 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're just going to switch it. Left arm and right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Stepping out on your left. Right arm. 5, 6. Step to your left on 1, 2, 3. Now to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're dancing. That was your first 8 count. Our second 8 count, we're just going to take our hands up and down and up and down 8 times total. Up and down. And as you do that, you're just going to lean to the left, lean to the right, left, right. So when your arms are up, you're to the left. You want to reach them all the way up? Go for it. You want to just reach them like this? Whatever you want to do, it's perfect. But there's 8 of those. So you finished here with your left arm and right hip out, and we're going to lean to the left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at you. You're doing amazing. Let's try it from that first 8 count. 5, 6, step on your left, point your right, 2, 3, now your left, 5, 6, 7, up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, this is recorded, so if you like to go even slower, pause it, go back, practice those steps as many times as you need to. When you're ready to go on, here's our third 8 count. So we just went 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to keep this lean going, but you're going to take, this time I'm going to do 1 finger. If you want to go back to 2, just your hand, whatever. I'm taking 1 finger. My hand's going to go on my hip here, my left hand, and I'm going to go high, high, low, low. High, high, low, low. So you're still just leaning left, right 8 times, and you're still going high and low, but we're separating it out. So left, right, high, low, low. Try it. 5, 6, point it up to the left, right, left, then you do it again. So we do 8 total. 7, 8, yeah. From the top. So we're going to step, right arm goes down, step on your left. 5, 6, right arm goes down on 1, 2, 3. Left arm switch. 5, 6, up and down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. 5, 6. Right arm points to the left. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Our fourth and final 8 count, we just did our high, high, low, low 2 times through. You're going to bring your hands up in fists, kind of at your shoulders here. And all we're going to do is turn our body and face it to the left as you kind of push that right shoulder to the front. So you're facing the left, but the right shoulder's pushing. You're going to go left, and then you're going to switch it to the right, and then you're going to go double to the left. Push, push, and then you're going to reverse that. 1 to the right, turn to the left, turn to the right twice. Double, double it up. So we're going single, single, double, and single, single, double. Yeah, we start facing the left, pushing that right shoulder forward. Now, I've seen people step with this, If you want to step, you'd be stepping left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I've seen people really kind of rolling their shoulders with it. Make it your own. I'm just going to cue it. Left, right, double to the left, and then to the right, same thing. So let's try that. 5, 6, turn it to the left. Go left, right, double to the left, right, left, double to the right. You can't mess it up. Just move. 5, 6, left, then right. Go left, right, double to the left, right, left, double to the right. And that's it. Great job. Let's put all 4 of our 8 counts together, super duper slow for our brains. So we're going to step out to the left, right hand's going to point down. Here you go. 5, 6, right arm points down. 1, 2, 3. Then left arm. 6, 7, high and low, both arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now your right finger points high, low, left, right. Do it again. 5, 6, single, single, double, left first, left, right, double to the left, right, left, double to the right. Great job. We're gonna do it again a little faster. You ready? You ready? Right arm goes down. 5, 6, right arm goes down on 1, 2, 3, then you switch. 5, 6, 7, up and down, both arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, point your right finger. 1, 2, 3, do it again, high, low. 6, 7, single, single, double, left, right, double to the left, right, left, double to the right. Yeah, it's a little faster with music, so let's do it one more time all together here. It's gonna be fun. Are you ready? You're ready. Here we go. Right arm points down, nice and fast. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Your right arm points on 1, 2, 3. Then you switch. 5, 6. Both arms up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right finger up. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 5, 6. Single, single, double to the left, right, left, then right, left, right. Fantastic job. And that was our tutorial. Fantastic job. Isn't it awesome to get up and move your body and just let those endorphins go? It's fun, right? Remember, if you want to try this with music, it's in a separate video that's linked in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you will go out and have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope you'll be kind to yourself and kind to others, and that you'll come back and dance with me again in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.